Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc 2.0TDI 116B horsepower edition 75 with rear view camera. This sleek grey vehicle has only 2,004 kilometres on the clock and is loaded with top-notch features. From the luxurious interior with amenities such as air conditioning and Bluetooth phone connectivity to the advanced safety features like ABS and collision avoidance braking, this car has everything you need for a smooth and secure ride. Plus, with the added convenience of a rear view camera and automatic hazard lights, you can drive with ease and peace of mind. Not to mention, this T-Roc comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and includes a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Contact us today at blackwatermotors.ie to learn more about this exceptional vehicle.